Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show alternative routes on the Yandex Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, tap to the three line at the upper left corner. Click to the settings and go to the second option, the navigation. Here in the routing and navigation section, you can find the second button, the show alternative routes. Actually, I use this function, but if you want to turn off, click to the next blue circle. And if it will be turned gray, this function will be disabled. If you want to turn on again, click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.